Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this socket extension by SilverCrest. That is a surge protection one, and it has a unique feature that is an aluminum outer body, 6 sockets, an on-off switch, a considerable length, 1800 volts, and it has 3 years warranty. Now all that are great, but considering that this is a really low cost product, I guess it's a no-brainer given its build quality and the product features to protect your precious devices. So I guess there are some products sometimes that they are worth buying just for the build quality. So this is totally aluminium. This is a metallic cover case with some rails on the side and a very long cable that we'll just check right away after we remove these zip ties. So I guess I'll try just to remove them without a knife. Now I'll try using this prying tool and not make any damage on the aluminum part here, just for the sake of protecting the aluminum part. Now this is a downside, this surface is really prone to scratches if you are using a metallic tool like a knife. These are really tightened up, like they used a machine or something with these tie wraps. Well, a pair of scissors will just do the trick, something like that, and here again, and here we have it. You should be careful not to damage the cable here. Well, the cable is very long and it is thick enough to not be damaged easily. And okay, here we have the cardboard cover, the on-off switch with an LED indicator, the surge protection. Here is the metallic surface. It has some fingerprints on it, so some cleaning is needed. Overall, this is a quite typical socket extension cord with 6 sockets. These are of the European type with surge protection. It's a great purchase given its price and its features. So this was the unboxing of the SilverCrest Aluminium extension. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.